am Dr. Surendra Kumar, Professor, School of Management, Babu Ganasidas University. Now, today we are discussing about the motivation and entrepreneurship. Motivation and entrepreneurship. Without motivation, nothing is to be possible in this world. If you are not motivated. चलिए हम लोग पास्ट की बात करते हैं. What? हम कोई भी काम करना क्यों चाहते हैं? Because there are certain things कि अगर मैं ऐसा करूंगा तो ऐसा हो जाएगा. Same thing. In the terms of the motivation, in the terms of the entrepreneurship development, entrepreneurship is basically a complete unit which is to be stabilized by an entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is a person who has risk-bearing capacity with leadership skills. He want to do something for himself, number one. Second, for his associates, what are the employees, if someone is to be associated. And third thing is for our society. Now, why, if I am an entrepreneur, why I have to start any unit? Why not I will go for the service? You can say. We want to stabilize the unit because there are certain principle was there. We have already discussed about one concept regarding the AI. It is known as achievement imaginary. We want to do something for us, for society, for this. So, if we are to come down with the motivation theory, we have already studied in the human resource part, that is Maslow's theory, Heisenberg's theory, this type of theory we have already studied. In this, we are just discussing the things in a very brief way, but we have to come down from where a entrepreneur is motivated. So I will just give down a mixture of that theories here. So in this, we have already discussed of the Maslow need hierarchy theory. That is Maslow. You know the thing. And there is a two factors analysis. It is by Herzberg. Two factor analysis and the need hierarchy theory, this type of things. Now, and ERG theory we have already discussed in Erford, ERG. So we have, so Elderfer has given this ERG theory. Now we will discuss today all mixture of that propounded by McClelland. So in this we have to discuss about the theory of McClelland. Theory of McClelland, who were regarded as the father of study of entrepreneurial motivation. Father of study of entrepreneurial motivation. So who is the father of entrepreneurial motivation? McClelland. So in this theory, he just emulsifies each and everything and given a very good word, that is manifest. Manifest. So McClelland has given the manifest theory. Now we will discuss about this manifest, because manifest, you can say down, this is the amalgamation with that, and manifest need theory of entrepreneurship. So he has given three things in his theory, McClelland. Three things. Why a person start any unit or start do the process of entrepreneurship, and why the person is motivated to start any unit. He knows three things is to be there. First is need for, we just put down need for and need for, because बिना need के आदमी कुछ करेगा नहीं. जब तक भूख लगेगी नहीं लगेगी, खाना नहीं खाएंगे, और खाने के पैसे नहीं है तो कुछ काम करेंगे क्योंकि हमें खाना खाना है। सिंपल। तो लोग पहली बात करते हैं नीड फॉर पावर। नीड फॉर पावर। सेकंड थिंग क्या होगी? टेल मी। वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस दिस थिंग दैट मैकलेलैंड एंड अदर थ्योरीज टू बी देयर। नीड फॉर एफिलिएशन। This theory was already introducing, because we have already done the Heisenberg two factor theory and need hierarchy theory, we have already told. So I have just told you this is the amalgamation of that. And third thing is need for achievement. So this theory is given by, again repeat, remember always, he is the father of that. Who is MacLean? Why I am remembering this? Because certain times this type of question will come down. Who is the father of motivational theory, entrepreneurial power? So you should be remember that MacLean is the father of that. He has given manifest theory, manifest need theory. In this manifest theory, he justifies the three things, that is need for achievement, need for power and need for affiliation. So now we will discuss one by one accordingly, and whenever we have to put down, you can put down N power and PO. Generally we are using N PO, N ARC, arch, and N affiliation. Generally in the literature you are seeing this type of word will be there, but here, because you are in the field of management, a management person should know what is the small form and what is the full form. Whether you are writing some small form, this not be a problem, but you should know what is the small form. And so when we have discussed about the need for power, if a man speculates about who is boss, he has a concern his power. This thing is noted by MacLean. Need for power, in effect, is the concern for influencing people. Concern for influencing people. Concern for influencing people. How we have to influence them, or the behavior of others for moving in the chosen directions and attaining the envisioned objectives. In common perceptions, politicians, socialism leaders, chief executive officers, and government bureaucrats, civil servants, these are the need for power. They need power. After seeing this type of power, because now, why we want, because the entrepreneur we are seeing Dhirubhai, the Anil Ambani, Ambani, and even some good businessmen in Lucknow and others. They have started a unit, everyone recognize the thing, even they have a lot people's followers. So regarding this power, we want to do something, we want to stabilize something, and this stabilizing process, because position, power is to be there. If I am in this position, I can do this thing is to be there. That's why a person is interested to do something his own. Generally you would appreciate that the process of founding a business, one has to win the commitment of capital providers, suppliers, equipments, materials, of the employers and of customers. These are the aspects to be there. If anything like movies बनती है, उसमें government supply नहीं है funding की, other parties to be come down, they have to supply the units to be there. That's why later on, if an actor, if a hero or heroine, they also enter in the same profession is to be there, become as a producer when they have amount, because to become a producer they get more and more profitability in this business is to be there as the film is going on. So first is to be a need for power, theory is given by MacLean. Then second is need for affiliation. If a man readily think about interpersonal relationships, he should be affiliated. We are a common person is to be there. He has a concern for affiliation. It implies among those things, that means a tendency of the people to confer to the wishes and norms of those they values. We have to affiliate. The main thing is to be there. In the social activities, predominantly driven by these needs to be there. If you want to run any type of NGO as per our entrepreneurship process is to be there, we should be in this technique is to be there. In certain cultures, family comprises the background of the successful career of the built. One word, as if, not for personal gratitude is to be, but for the family, desire to carry on the tradition of business in the family and the community to which one belongs, may be interpreted and reflecting the need of affiliation. Because unless you are not affiliating capabilities to be there, no one will listen to you. And if you want to do something by your own, and you are the first generation of entrepreneur, I already told you earlier this to be there, first generation, you will start the business. No, not a single family member is to be there in the business. You have to start your own business. That's why for the establishing business, you need this type of, because now the thing is, marketing is totally different. Now they have to convert it into the relationship marketing. Because social media emphasizes on this also. So in this, now in the present country, relationship marketing, we need the social affiliations. We have to attach with others by which they have just influenced, I have just influenced the persons to be there, and then accordingly we have to set the rules. One can certainly trace some elements of affiliation in such incidences, and some industries are particularly suitable for a person with high need for affiliation and having distinct competencies in empathy and concern for implies any type of things. Like if you want to establish any type of general merchant की दुकान जैसे कहते हैं, उसको आप खोल रहे हैं, तो if you have affiliation units to be there, आपके लोगों से concern अच्छे हैं, you can be good there. Tours and travels, leisure company, this type of things is very effective is to be there. So this type, because for the motivation, why the motivation is to be there, how the person is to be start any business to be there. If this type of contact they have, एक कोई भी हमारे एरिया में कॉर्पोरेटर कैसे बनते हैं, सभासद होते हैं जब यहाँ, क्योंकि वो जब ये देखते हैं कि उनको फॉलो करने वाले बहुत सारे लोग हो गए हैं, तो उनके मन में एक इच्छा होती है कि नाउ ये इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स होते हैं, प्लस पावर अच्छी होती है, सो रिगार्ड द पावर ऑफ दैट they have to concern. We have to concern with the affiliation. Now, third thing is need for achievement. In the need for achievement, entrepreneurial behavior is so much likely attributed to this need that one may just stop short of the taking entrepreneurial motivation and achievement motivation as synonyms. Need for achievement concerns issues of excellence, competitions, changing goals and overcoming difficulties. A complete achievement sequence would comprise defining the problem, wanting to solve it, thinking of means to solving it, thinking of difficulties that get in the way of solving it. So in this, need for affiliation is to be there, need of power was there, need of it. Now, besides this, if you have to come down these things in the, we already told you that manifest theory of the entrepreneurship is the father of that, and I already told you that this theory is very much similar with the Maslow theory. Everyone knows about the Maslow theory. Maslow is basically a theory dealing with the pyramid. We have divided both needs, lower order need and higher order need. Lower order need, sleep, sona, jagna, bhook, pyas, sex. These are basically the lower order needs to be there, by which the man can survive to be there. But if this is only the lower order need exists in the world, not a single person will do the work, because now the condition will be changed. We are feeling thirsty, but we don't drink water nowadays. I am telling, previously this condition, we want to drink soft drink. So condition will change. For the soft drinks, you need money, you need a feature to be there. So when we are telling about the motivation part of that entrepreneurship, because entrepreneurship you need certain steps, certain things. Why you have to do these things to be there? Because ultimately, unless you have not that type of desire, that type of burning desire, you cannot survive in this competitive world of that. So whenever we are discussing about the Maslow theory, whenever Heisenberg theory, MacLean theory, this type of theory, in every theory, this thing is propounded, and they have already concerned that, because in this theory there are three things. I can just give an example of that. Then three things is to be there: MacLean theory, motivation theory, जितने भी अगर आपने सुने होंगे, आई हैव टू लिसन द स्टोरीज टू बी देयर, लाइक शहनाज हुसैन, जब इन्होंने बिजनेस शुरू किया तो इनके पास कुछ नहीं था, इन्होंने धीमे धीमे शायद मैरिज के बाद अपना बिजनेस शुरू किया था, और बहुत छोटे से इन्होंने धीमे 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 हर्बल इंडस्ट्री में अपना नाम कमाया, और बिकॉज ही वांट टू, उनकी नीड में क्या थी, शी वांट टू नीड फॉर अचीवमेंट लेटर, and later on when the things can be achieved, then think power can be come down. It is not necessary whatever the person is to be there, what he want to need. May be possible first हमारी stage ये हो, second ये हो, and third ये हो. Or may be possible we have each and every money is to be there. Like we have the achievement. We have already stabilized a small unit is to be there. Then after we have to restructure the things. So अब now we have to need of power. May be possible हमारे लिए ये चीज जरूरत पड़ जाए. So MacLean theory clearly defined that how we have motivated in this surroundings to stabilize any type of entrepreneurship development. Maybe because need for power, need for affiliations, and need for achievement is the three prime consideration in that. Or in this consideration theories, we can say that achievement motives, achievement imaginary, कुछ करने की प्रेरणा, whatever. How the things is, may be possible we have seen in our society that we have developed a good businessman और he has बहुत अच्छा कुछ है उसके पास, तो हमारे मन में भी इच्छा लगेगी कि यार जब उसके पास इतना कुछ है तो हमारे पास भी होना चाहिए और हम भी कर सकते हैं, because we have the knowledge and skills both, and by other means of these the government initiatives and other problems we can get on the things. So in this need of power we have to start. Then if we have a social background was there, our background was there, so we can be stabilized accordingly. So if this need for affiliation is to be there, definitely we can be carrying on that. And the main thing is to be there, whatever entrepreneurship development is to be, we should be, according to a person, need for affiliation would be want to be personal responsibility. We have to develop day by day, we have to brush up day by day, ultimate unless. Even this in the research shows that MacLean also derived three things, because MacLean research methodology sought to identify the dominant need through projective techniques. We would be say that because there are certain things is to be there, like example, quest for respectable, growth oriented, challenging, job career, these are the certain words is to be which is to be used on. And even though if we can just down, because overall things are need for autonomy. Remember this thing. ये सब में नहीं होता. Need for autonomy, मैं कुछ हूं और ये हमारा साम्राज्य कुछ है. This is the autonomy. The need for autonomy is a desire for independence, which in fact becomes a desire to do work for one's choice and at one's pace, defining one's own rule of the game, taking initiatives, making independent and innovative choice, and bring responsible and accountable to oneself rather than some external authorities. So MacLean theory is to be very, very clear is to be there regarding this progress, regarding this thing. We have to do each and everything is to be there, because when we have to put down a child and we have to put down a chart, it's simple. It's simple. I have to just put down, because last I'm just concluding the session. In this concluding session, you can just take what I told you that what an art. Second thing, and affiliation. Third thing, what third thing is to be? Power, need for power and power. So if we have the characters of thinking, deciding and acting, then we can develop this entrepreneurship. In the terms of affiliations, definitely we have the warm desire. Then we have the competitiveness. and we have the fellow followers. So definitely we have desire, we come down again, entrepreneurship. And if the power of the other, that means if I have the leadership qualities, and again control and directions, definitely we can be start with the entrepreneurship. So in this last, I can just say down that if we have this type of affiliations, this type of knowledge, this type of appreciation to be there, so definitely we can be motivated and stabilize a well done and very good unit for the entrepreneurship development. Entrepreneur is the prime word, and entrepreneur has this type of qualities to be there. Definitely he will develop a good sense of peace to be there in this competitive.